Hello, everyone! Losing something is never fun, right? When I lose something, it can feel so frustrating. First, I try to stay super calm and think carefully about where I last saw it. For example, if I lost my keys, I would definitely check my desk first. Then, I'd check my bag, looking in all the little pockets. And finally, I'd carefully search the living room, even the tricky spots. But what if I still can't find it, even after all that searching? That's when I'll ask my family or friends for help, like Jake. Sometimes they can see things I totally can't, even when I'm looking right at it. It's super important not to give up and to think logically until you find it. Oh my gosh, I found them! Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome, Lily. I told you we'd find them.
See? Staying calm and thinking logically really works. And asking for help from a friend like Jake is super helpful too.
Ugh, I can't find my math textbook anywhere. I need it for class.
Hey, remember what we just talked about. Don't give up. Try to think where you last saw it, calm and logical.
You're right, it was right here. Thank you, Lily. You're a lifesaver. See?
It always works out when you stay positive. So remember, stay calm, think carefully, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
You'll find your lost items in no time.
And feel super happy and relieved. Oh no, not again. I can't believe I lost it. Okay, Maya, calm down. Panicking won't help. Where did I last have it? I need to think carefully. All right, first the desk. Nothing here or here. Not under the bed, not on the shelf. This is tricky. Maybe it rolled into the living room. I was just here.
Hey, Maya. Everything okay? You look like you lost your last piece of pizza.
Worse, Leo. My favorite bracelet is gone.
Let's think logically. Where would it roll? How about under here?
Good idea, Leo. I didn't think of that spot. Oh my goodness, there it is, my lucky bracelet.
Awesome. See?
Logical thinking for the win. I'm so happy I found it. Losing something is never fun, but finding it feels amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I found it. Thank you for helping me look, Leo. You know, when I first couldn't find it, I felt really sad. But then I remembered to stay calm and think where I last had it. I literally searched everywhere. First in my bedroom, then all over the living room, step by step. And then when I couldn't find it, it was great to have your help, Leo.
Exactly. That's super important. Staying calm and thinking logically is the best way to find lost stuff.
Losing something is never fun, but finding it, that just makes me feel totally amazing and proud.